Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I hope you all recognize this plant. This plant is an essential role in our kitchen. Even though this plant is known as a winter vegetable, this plant can be planted all year long. This is nothing else but coriander leaf. We use coriander as a spice and we use the leaves in many dishes as well. So today I'll tell you how you can get a coriander plant for yourself as well. These are some coriander seeds. First you have to crush it lightly. Then soak it for 24 to 48 hours. As the weather is very cold right now, we have to soak it with lukewarm water. Or you can simply soak it in tap water as well. After keeping it soaked for 1 to 2 days, make sure to keep it in sunlight. My mom already prepared the loamy soil that is needed for this plant. She added 50% garden soil with 50% kitchen waste compost. As my mom does organic gardening, my mom did not use any kind of chemical items in this procedure. First you have to loosen the soil and add the seeds like my mom is adding. Then you have to spread it evenly. Like this, my mom added many seeds in 6 inches and 8 inches pots. If you have any kind of vegetable bed, add it here or simply plant it in a pot. And while you do pot selection, make sure that you keep the drainage holes in mind. If there is waterlogging even by a little, the plant will not grow at all. After planting some coriander seeds, she added one more layer of soil above it. This is very essential as it helps to maintain the temperature and helps the plants to germinate quicker. Like any other plants, you have to sow the seeds and then water your plants thoroughly. And then make sure to keep your plants in such a place where they will get 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Do you know you can grow coriander plants without soil as well? If you wish to know how, I will share another video on that. But look, after 7 to 10 days our plants already germinated. And within 15 days to 1 month you can easily harvest your plants. After having your leaves, you can harvest the plant fully or just leave the tip of the leaves so you can plant it again. So those who wish, you can easily plant coriander and then enhance your kitchen a lot. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Also recently we have been doing lots of videos on winter veggies and winter plants. Make sure to let us know how you like them. That's all for today. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.